Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm preparing for a big holiday, 3.5 weeks in the Middle East. It's January 2024 in England. It is absolutely freezing. It was 1 degree today. It was icy cold. I'm wearing this thick woolly jumper and my jeans and my boots. I've been out to the vets. It's just freezing cold and all I want is a bit of winter sun. But I don't like taking a lot of luggage. So I'm making this video to show you how I pack, and I'm packing for temperatures which will vary from 0 degrees in England to 27 degrees on the Red Sea. So I'll show you my outfits I've got planned, and then I'll give you a recap at the end and see if I had enough stuff. I can always buy something. So to start with, this is the airport outfit. So I'm wearing my warmest clothes. Got to leave here to go to the airport at 6 in the morning. I have a long sleeved t-shirt like that. This is a really lightweight jacket and it folds up to be small, but it also does up right up to my chin, so it's warm. I'm not taking a jumper or a jersey. That's the big issue, but I just don't have space for it. The scarf will keep me warm, it'll keep me cool, and also if I go into a mosque or something, I can use that scarf to cover my head. I have jeans, I have a belt. There's another issue, which is a bit controversial. I'm wearing sandals with socks, right? They are thin cotton socks, just to get on the plane. Once I arrive there, I'm sure I won't need the socks. So in Oman, might go down to 8 degrees at night. So maybe I'll put my socks on. But I'm not carrying shoes around the world. I'm just taking one pair of shoes. Okay, so then when I'm walking around in Jordan, I can wear my jeans. I might get up to 18 degrees. So I've got different tops. So altogether I have 5 tops. So this is one top. All the tops are patterned, all the bottoms are plain. That's basically the way I've worked it. And these are knee-length shorts. So I can wear these shorts in public, right? They aren't like too showy. You're not meant to show your shoulders and your legs. So that's down to my knees. That shirt does cover my shoulders. There's another shirt here. This also covers my shoulders. It's like a t-shirt, but it's really cool fabric. Then I have short shorts, these black ones. These are them here. So I could wear these on the beach. I can also sleep in them, right? So these clothes have to double as pajamas. And then I have 2 vest tops. So this is one vest top here with the elephants on, with the black shorts. And then here is a floral top, which is probably back to front. Yeah, this floral top, which I'll wear with the black shorts, or I can wear with the blue shorts, or I can wear it with the jeans. It's basically 3 bottoms, jeans, knee-length shorts, shorter shorts, and tops, 1 long sleeve top, 2 t-shirts, 2 vest tops. This is the bag. Everything has to fit into this, which is just an ordinary rucksack size. Everything has to fit into that. There's my towel. I have to take a towel because I'm staying in lots of different places. I have underwear there. I have a swimsuit. There's my swimsuit. I only have one swimsuit, and I have a swimming cap as well, so I don't have to wash my hair too often. I have a diary here. There's all my travel plans are in here, and I'll take 2 pens. Then toiletries wise, I have a little see-through bag. I have toothpaste, which is nearly finished, with the toothbrush. I know my toothbrush could be smaller. I have 2 emergency rations, chocolate bars. I have a comb, right, another controversial decision, not taking a hairbrush. Then I have SPF moisturizer here. This is body lotion, but I think I'll need that if I'm on the beach for quite a while. There's some hand cream. There's some body wash. Oh, I'm just going to take some shampoo actually. This is actually suntan lotion in here, the small thing. These are eye drops. This is my first aid supply. These are diarrhea pills, those. And these are hay fever pills, which I can also take if I get a cold. You can just use them as a decongestant. I have a few hair bubbles, yeah, a nail file, lipstick, eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. So all that's missing is my phone charger and my shampoo. And I'm also going to get some goggles. So I'm going to go snorkeling, but I'm going to use goggles. If I might buy a snorkeling set when I'm there, or I might just buy the goggles and my phone and my AirPods. So I have all my books. I've got hundreds of books on my phone and loads of podcasts as well. So what do you think of that? I know it all fits into that bag. Controversial decision. Wearing sandals, not taking spare shoes, not taking a jumper, not taking a hairbrush. I think I might have one top too many, but they fold up so small, they really do. And I roll my clothes, so you'll see they roll up really small. So just to complete my packing video, which I started yesterday, there are a few things which I had forgotten. So I'll show you those things now, and then I'll show you my bag fully packed. So this is a cloth bag. Yeah, this is for carrying my lunch. I'm also taking a water bottle, which will go in there. This is my hat, deodorant, passport. This is my purse. So I'm taking like a coins purse because it's lighter and because I keep my bank cards in with my phone. I have 3 pens to use in case, well, 2 run out. I have 2 lip repairs because I'm expecting dry weather. I have some earbuds, shampoo. Now my money I have in 3 piles, so I separate it in case I lose my purse. I have some sterling and I have some, well, it's about £250 anyway, Jordanian money and sterling, which should be enough for a week or so. I have some sandwich bags for putting food in. I have my phone charger. I have my AirPods, so I can listen to books and podcasts or in public. And I have my sunglasses. I'm going to try to put my reading glasses in here as well. So Poppy is sitting there watching me pack. Don't know what she thinks about this holiday. She won't be happy. My bag fully packed, and you can see there's still loads of room. Look at that. There's all that space. So I could actually take a jumper if I wanted to. I'm just conscious about the weight of it as well. But that's a good size bag. Just show it to you now. Put it on my back. There we go. Let me zip it up actually. And there you go. There's my rucksack on my shoulder. It's not too big at all. It's not too heavy. And I'm ready for my holidays.